Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video we are going to learn about addition and subtraction by using combination formula. Minus 6 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 1 and minus 60 is equal to minus 100 plus 50 and minus 10. And the first one we are going to see is 203 plus 30 minus 26 plus 51. 203 plus 30 minus 26. Here minus 6 is not available, so I am going to take minus 6 means we can do with big friends formula. What is big friends formula of minus 6? Minus 10 plus 4, but here plus 4 is not available for us. So what you have to do, in the place of minus plus 4 you have to replace small friends formula. Minus 4 is equal to plus 4 is equal to plus 5 minus 1. Plus 4 is equal to plus 5 minus 1. You have to add there and we have to do the calculation. For now, that is known as combination formula. Minus 6 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. In the place of 4 plus 4 we are using small friends formula, plus 5 minus 1. Okay, minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. Got it? Next, plus 51. So what is the answer? 258. Yes, clear the scale. Next one, 34 plus 110 minus 66 plus 200. 34 plus 110 minus 66. Here minus 60 is also not available, so in that case what we have to do, you have to apply combination formula. Minus 100 plus 5 plus 50 minus 10. The same way for minus 6 also you have to do with the formula. Minus 6 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. Yeah. Next, add 200. So what is the answer? 278. Clear the scale. Next one, 47 minus 25 plus 51 minus 16. 47 minus 25 plus 51 minus 16. Minus 6 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. So what is the answer? 57. Clear the scale. Now fourth one we are going to see, 104 plus 70 minus 56 plus 30. 104 plus 70 minus 56. Minus 6 is not available. Friends, what you have to do is, first you have to see whether big friends formula is applicable or not. If it is not applicable, then you have to go to the combination formula. Okay, minus 6 is equal to minus 10 plus 4 is the big friends formula. Here that formula is not applicable, so I am going to combination formula. Minus 6 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. Next, plus 30. So what is the answer? 148. Clear the scale. Next, 72 minus 50 plus 100 minus 61. 72 plus minus 50 plus 100 minus 60. Minus 60 is not available here, so I am going to take combination formula. Minus 60 is equal to minus 100 plus 50 minus 10 and minus 1 directly. So what is the answer? 61. Clear the scale. Next, 301 plus 50 plus 130 minus 406. 301 plus 50 minus 130 minus 406. Here minus 6 is not available, so I am going to take combination formula. Minus 6 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. So what is the answer? 75. Got it, friends? In this way you have to do the combination formula of minus 6, and this is and today we are done with minus 6 combination formula. And please follow the formulas. If you learn formulas perfectly, it will be very easy, friends. And please follow my channel for more updates and subscribe my channel. And if you see the previous videos and all, it will be easy for you to understand the subject. Okay friends, done with the video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye. Take care.